Next. I'll read that to Daddy. Bagong planet ni Brayden. No. Just, don't touch it, Kendall. Just look at it. Read ka na lang. Read the book, Kendall. Can you read, Mommy?
Where's Rita?
Wow.
Daddy, you forgot something. Daddy, you forgot.
What?
Just put it there.
Another piece.
I said I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
It's not yet finished, Bray. Tomorrow, Daddy will continue. Papa-massage pa kami.
Can you bring cold out there?
9:46 p.m. na. What is it? Thank you. At meron ako ditong bangus. Bangsilog yung in-order ko. Nagtako si Papa P. Sabi ko, ito na lang kainin ko. Pero kumain na ako, guys. Ang kinain ko kanina is yung tortang talong. Tapos yung niluto ko kahapon na... Ay, kahapon. Yung yung parang cabbage siya. Tapos nilagay ko siya sa egg. You want some fish?
What's wrong with that fish?
No, it's a fried. Sarap to sa suka.
You want a taco? That's yours.
This is my mom. This is mommy. Nene. Kala ko dalawang egg nito. Isang egg lang pala. Sayang. Gusto ko sana scramble. Nakalimutan ko sabihin. Tsaka mag-order kayo ng detox. Dapat pagka kumakain kayo, pwede nyo siya isabay sa pagkain nyo. Yung detox natin.
You like it, Brady?
Tinititigan lang ni Brayden yung planet na binili ni Daddy and binili ni Daddy sa kanya. Okay, honest. Alam mo mga sinungaling dito mga gawa-gawa ng kwento.
What?
Like kahit sa up
Brady?
may masabi lang.
You can take it up to your room, Brady. Yeah, you can take it up.
I go up na, Bray. After we eat. Ang nakakaloka yung binigay ko na tawag na ito, camera kay RJ na wala niya, naiwan niya doon sa bus na nag-LU sila. Sabi ko, ano ba naman yan? Amal nun, tapos bago lang, winala niya. Hindi ko pa siya nireply, nakikinis ako. Naiwan niya sa bus, baka may nakakuha dyan sa San Juan na bus. Pakibalik naman, please. Canon yun eh. Canon GX7. I'm done. I'm not gonna buy him a new one. I told him. Because he was looking the picture and then he's in a hurry because the bus is stopped.
But I
And he
always
left it.
feel when you don't go and work and earn that money and understand how much it is.
The only idea. I think there's something like a dozen in there.
Tingin daw kasi siya ng picture.
Get our opposite end.
Basta kakamadali niya. Kasi doon na yung, nag-stop na yung bus sa station. Nakalimutan niya daw sa gilid. Kasi nung nagtitime daw siya, nakatulog din daw siya hanggang sa nawala sa isip niya yung camera.